Are you searching for best electric soldering irons? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best electric soldering irons 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Vastar soldering iron, brand name, Vastar, model number, soldering iron, quality, brand new, sold, 10,000, reviews 6027, rating, 4.8, new adjustable temperature electric soldering iron 220V 60W welding solder workstation heat pencil tips repair tool, material, plastic, silicone, stainless steel, heating core, ceramic heating core, weight, 71.2 G, length, about 226 mm, rated voltage, EU 220V, rated power, EU 60W, warm-up time, 55 seconds. Number 2, JCD 908S electric soldering iron, brand name, JCD, model number, 908S, sold, 5,000, reviews, 2318, rating, 4.8. The soldering iron is suitable for all kinds of household appliances, such as taverns, electric soldering irons, electronic soldering irons, etc. The electric soldering iron is small in size and light in weight, which is very convenient to carry, adjustable. This electric soldering iron is adjustable. You can adjust the temperature according to your needs. Number 3, SumSour 905 soldering iron, brand name, SumSour, model number, 905, wire length, 1.4 m/55.12 inches, weight, 100 G, sold, 5,000, reviews, 1691, rating, 4.8, 80W electric soldering iron kit set, digital temperature adjustable welding tools solder tin with iron tips repair tools. Number 4, Deli electric soldering iron, brand, Deli, name, external heat soldering iron, model number, EDL8830, EDL8840, EDL8860, output power, 30W, 40W, 60W, sold, 3,000, reviews, 990, rating, 4.8, features, nickel chromium wire heating core, heating up quickly, natural mica sheet, good heat insulation effect, PRT plastic handle, heat resistant and flame retardant, scope of application, stainless steel heating tube, auto parts, electrical industry, emergency repair. Number 5, Silverflo electric soldering iron, brand name, Silverflo, model number, 928DI, sold, 1,000, reviews, 365, rating, 4.9, function, 200 to 500 digital temperature adjustable, 100W maximum power, C/F temperature mode convert, digital temperature calibration, plug-in heating core, 100W digital electric soldering iron kit set temperature adjustable 928D welding tool ceramic heater soldering tips rework. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.